In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up estimating templates in CostMiner, a powerful tool for construction estimating and takeoff. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to CostMiner's login page. This is where you'll access the powerful suite of tools that CostMiner offers. You'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, then click on the Login button. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to do that first. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard where you can manage your projects. Next, you'll want to select the project that you'd like to save as a template. This is a crucial step because the template will be based on the details of this project, so choose a project that best fits the recurring tasks or estimates you frequently need to replicate. Navigate through your existing projects and find the one that suits your needs. Click on it to open it up. This will allow you to verify that all the details are up to date before saving it as a template. Once you've selected your project, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information within the project. Double-check that all entries, costs, and factors align with what you want to replicate in the template. This is important because any errors or out-of-date information will be carried over into every new project using this template in the future. After you've reviewed all the details, you'll want to close the project view to take you back to your list of projects. There might be a brief pause here as the system processes your request, but rest assured you're almost finished with the setup. Back in the project list, look for an icon that resembles 3 lines or what some call a hamburger menu. This option symbol is where you'll find the details you need to proceed. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Save as Template. This step is vital as it allows you to capture the current project's framework and save it for future use. You'll be brought to a new screen to finalize the template's details. On this screen, you'll have the opportunity to customize the template's information. This includes things like the template name, description, and any other pertinent details that will help you identify and use this template effectively going forward. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, hit Save to save your new template. Congratulations! You've successfully created an estimating template in CostMiner, saving you time and effort on future projects. This template will streamline your workflow, allowing you to apply a consistent approach to your project estimates. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to check out more tutorials for optimal use of CostMiner tools.